Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create and customize a store for virtual reality and augmented reality business on Shopify easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account. Now wait a few seconds for creating this store. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to the online store and click on the themes. So here you can change the themes if you want. So here you can change the themes. For example, you can select here whatever you want. I'm gonna just skip the down theme. So after you select it, wait to install the theme, and after this click publish, and you can customize it on your homepage. It will take you to your homepage store. So here you can change here the style of the homepage. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So that's it. Here this is the settings where you can design your homepage. We have here first we have the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can show separate line. You can show icons on desktop. Also you can turn this on, auto rotate announcements. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text. You can paste a link, for example collections. So you can paste a link or select collections or whatever you want, search for something. So let's move on to the header. So this is the header section. You can change here the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu. Also you can change the desktop menu type. Here you can change the sticky header. You can choose separate line. You can change the color scheme, the menu color scheme. So that's it. Here you can edit the mobile layout. You can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. Here you can manage the theme settings. Here if you want to enable search suggestions, and here you can put your social media links. So here you can put your social media links if you want to add your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo. So here you have to select your logo from your library. So for example, let's search on some logos on the browser, just for example, virtual reality and augmented. So this is logo idea like this. So for example, you can choose here from whatever you want. So this is just for example. Of course you have to upload it from your library, select it from your library, or if you wanna upload it from the free image. So this is just for example. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it at any time you want. So that's it. Here you can edit the desktop logo with, and that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the image banner section. So here you have two images. You can add two images or one image or whatever you want to add. So that's it. So for example, let's search some images on the browser. For example, let's choose this. So this is your first image right now. You can change it at any time. You can add the second image here. Here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can edit the banner height. Also you can edit the desktop content position, you can show container on desktop, you can change the desktop content alignment. Also you can change the color scheme, the animations. Here you can edit the mobile content alignment. You can turn this on, stock image on mobile, show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the heading. So here you can generate the text. Just describe the text, what this text is about. So augmented reality. Here you can change the heading size. I'm gonna make it medium. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. You can change the first button link. Here you can use outline button style. If you already added the second image, here you can add the second button label, and you can add the second button link. Also you can use outline button style. So that's it. Now if you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, features collection. So here also you can generate the text, describe what this text is about. Augmented reality. Here you can edit the heading size, you can change generate the description, also augmented, or if you want to describe more you can describe more. Augmented reality. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style, you can change the collection, or you create your own collection. Here you can make product full width, you can enable carousel on desktop. Also you can edit the product card, the image ratio and the image shape. You can edit you can show second image on hover, you can show vendor, you can show product rating. Here if you want to enable quick add button, and you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section of the website, the footer section. So here also you can change the color scheme, you can show email sign up. Also here you can generate the text, just describe what this text is about. And that's it. After you're done from designing your website, now all you have to do is save this, and let's get back to the dashboard. So here let's go to the home, and now you can name your store. So type any name you want. You can add your store phone, and here you can change your store email. And after this, all you have to do is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your online store for augmented reality and virtual reality business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.